Well, hi everybody, it's Pumpkin. We finished another, it's smoking out here. Finished another painting. It's an old one from way back when she originally started. From GLymg. Finally done. Only have a few more of those old ones to go. Check it out. See if it's something she'd recommend or buy for somebody. Doubtful.
Well, hello everybody. It is Saturday, January 18th, and I just finished doing the after surgery to this one. It's finally done. This was a Willow Landscape from GLymg. I bought it about 18 months ago, and it was not good. Wasn't as bad as the paint with diamonds mermaid, but it was a close second. It's pretty bad. Would I recommend? Absolutely not. No way in hell. This is how much garbage I had for that size painting, which is a little one. I don't know. It says 16 by 16 inches. The drills were horrible. Lots of pits, scoops, bulges, broken trash. I ran out of probably 3 colors. Had to go into my stash, pick the closest thing I could. Yeah, it was a nightmare. Now I don't know that I got every bad drill out, but I did go through the whole thing again once it was done. Oh, and they're popping drills too. So yeah, I can see a little bit of, my aliens poking through, but I did go through and try and dig out everything that I saw that was bad and replace it with something else. Some of those black ones, you can see they've got they're misshapen. The tops are kind of flat and not shiny. A lot of garbage in the black. Certain colors were worse than others. Yeah, right there you can see there's a whole bunch of pits and stuff. I missed that little area. But yeah, that was the overall fun level of this one. Was not, but it's pretty and it's ready to be framed. So we'll do that soon. And I did recently go to Michael's, recorded, myself shopping. I haven't even begun editing that, so I don't know whether that's part of this video or the previous video or part of my recycle bin. Deleted the file. But I've got several frames for framing up finished paintings. So those will be coming soon. And yeah, Brian's working again today. So it's only 12:30 in the afternoon, so I should be able to do more stuff soon, but here we go. So this was one of a pair of coordinating paintings that I got from GLymg, and this one's really bad, so I would not recommend. But again, we're talking 18 months ago. Who knows what their quality is like right now. The other one that matches that is, let's see here. Where is it? Here it is. That's the second one to work on. So maybe I should finish that one too before I frame them so I can get matching frames. Probably be a good idea. I've already put away all the drills and everything. this morning. Oh, new podcast that I thought was really good. What the heck was the name of it? It was like a, I don't know, 8 or 10 part series, easy to listen to in a day. What was the name of it? Oh, Room 20. Room 20. That was awesome. Sad ending, but it was very suspenseful in the beginning. I did finally get my label maker out and start labeling, because those boxes haven't had labels on them forever. The black ones with my extras. Because I was just being lazy. And then I went and ran out of the clear label tape. So now I'm like, frick. But if you haven't seen it before, here's my system. I use the Tic Tac boxes. And, you know, if they match, I'll combine. If they're way different, you know, they get their own slot. But I have, I bought those way back in the beginning as well. And, you know, because I haven't done a whole heck of a lot of paintings, I just kind of create and separate as needed. So I've got my square drills. I got to make labels for those round. And I bought enough of those containers to do all of the colors, DMC colors, in round and square. But, you know, with only one per. And some of them I've got many, like 310. Got many. But yeah, so I've got my backup there for that. All right, so that's it for that. And I'm going to go have a cup of coffee and probably start figuring out how to frame something. Yeah. Let's not show our passwords. What are we doing? Okay. Yeah, gotta wash the dog today too. So let's get moving. Okay. This is a tiny short video. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm telling you, this is a piece of crap. That's what I'm doing. Okay. All right. Let's get on with the show. We got things to do. Very pretty. But yeah, not good. It definitely, yeah, just finishing it, you know, when I do like a really good quality one where I don't have a bunch of pitted drills, I basically will take my little brush, scrub off whatever A-leans squeezed through between drills, run a rolling pin over it, and off it goes into a frame. This I spent probably in total 4 to 5 hours of picking out shitty drills, replacing, going through leftovers, finding something close to be able to use. 5 hours of bullshit. So to me, that's just all the more reason why I think that paying a little bit more money is so worth it. You know, most of us have a stash. A lot of us do. There are some of us just starting out, you know, don't have a stash, and you know, but I do think pretty much for most of us, we've gotten to the point where we got 1 or 2 that are waiting in the wings to be started. So, you know, you might not be able to get as many of them for your money, but if you got more than 2 sitting there waiting to be worked on, hey, start buying the nice ones until you're down to nothing left to do, and then go back to the cheapies, because I don't need this stress in my life. This is freaking ridiculous. I completely lashed out at my husband last night when he walked in the door, probably because I was so pissed at this thing. Makes you a mean person. So if you want to be an asshole, work on this. It'll get you in the mood. If not, you know, buy something nice. The ones I like Ever Moment and Diamond Art Club. Those are my 2. And my very favorite, of course, Diamond Art Club, #1. Ever Moment is a very close second. But yeah, I haven't done one other than those 2 that I've not had bad experiences with yet. So yeah, whatever. Okay, that's it. enough rambling. Let's get on with our day.
Alright, well, that was short, but sweet. Anyway, coming up very soon, framing videos. At least one. Yeah. Kind of a train wreck. It's already, you know, in the can, as they say, waiting to be edited. Horrible. I shouldn't say that. That's not nice. Mission accomplished. 95%. Okay. See you in the next one, guys.